All right, everybody. Time to look at the packages and see what's inside. Are you ready? All right, here's our first package. We're going to go ahead and cut it open and see what Santa brought me. Oh my goodness. You're not gonna believe what's inside. It turns out it's not even mine. Okay. So apparently we got a car universal holder. Actually, I think this one is mine. So this is cool. Looks like I got this from eBay. I'll tell you guys more about it. We're gonna do a little segment about eBay and how to get stuff like this really cheap. So let's look at what else is inside. Let me get another package here. So we got this phone holder. Now we got this other package. You wonder what's inside here? I do. All right. Apparently inside this bag is another bag. And it looks like a pump. What do you know? It's a pump for pumping water out of like a 2 or 5 gallon water container. So this looks like something we might be able to use in the van. I wonder what else we got. Let's take a look. Looks like we also have this package here, which I'm going to open. And this one, what is this? Do you know what it is? That's right. It's an electric 12-volt water pump. I wonder what we're going to do with this. Do you guys have any ideas? Stay tuned.